Lackawanna State Park, and today is Saturday. Today we're thinking of hiking and then kayaking, and we're gonna have a fun weekend, Memorial Weekend.
Good morning.
Deep up?
Hey, we're ready to go on a hike?
Yeah.
Looking to have a good time.
Where's Mama?
My mom's in the camper. She's fixing it up.
Is she hiking?
No, not this day.
Harper in the middle. We have arrived at our destination. We are going to be hiking at our destination. Look at that tree right there. Look at that vine. Look at the singular leaf. Look at how pretty that is. Look at it.
Give me a second.
We're hearing owl noises. This is the second time we've heard owl noises. It's like hoo 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 hoo. So weird. Hear that?
It's not working. I'm telling you.
It works. I'm telling you.
It's funny. You have to bite closer to the tip.
Staying on the rock. We just got back from hiking. It was about an hour long, and for lunch we're going to eat mountain pies, and we're gonna have a great rest of the day.
Nice.
Hello, I'm in a hammock. Hammocking time. I'm good. I'm good. Hello and good morning. It is Sunday and we are going to Steamtown today. It's gonna be great. We're gonna see some trains. It's gonna be really fun.
We're going to Steamtown National Historic Site.
Steamtown is a railroad museum with a working turntable and a roundhouse. There are also history and technology museums. The museum is free, and for $6 we rode a 30-minute train ride around the train yard, through Scranton and over the Lackawanna River to the Naog Gorge.
So a couple weeks ago, Jim bought a yakitori grill because he watches too much YouTube and he saw somebody using one online. So we have a $100 rule. If something is $100 or more, you have to check in with the other person before you spend the money, just to make sure it's not a crazy impulse buy. This grill was $99.99. So Jim has some soaked skewers here. What did you soak this chicken in?
Teriyaki.
Teriyaki. So this is a teriyaki sauce. Alright, so this is pork with the teriyaki sauce. So what did you put in the flavoring for this chicken?
Like hoisin sauce and soy sauce.
Yeah?
Yeah. This is hoisin with soy sauce mixed with some lime juice and garlic.
Alright, so how do you say this?
Gochujang? Gochujang?
Gochujang.
Gochujang? I'm not sure. The skewers aren't the strongest, so this should be interesting.
Before we check out today, we are going to go kayaking around the lake. When we headed onto the lake, we had no idea it was carp spawning season.
Oh, that's not a fish, is it?
Huge brown carp were jumping out of the water all around us.